What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another trade recap. First trade that I took this week was on Monday. I recorded a video on it. It was a simple demand trade that I took. Don't mind all my lines on the charts. These lines don't really mean nothing. On 6B, which is the futures version of GU, there was a gap right here inside of this zone on the 15-minute. And because of a lot of confluences that I saw with GU versus, GBP versus the dollar, I was like, okay, GB right now is stronger than the dollar. So the trade had a break of structure, came back into the zone, and then I got in at the break of candlestick and held all the way here, but I ended up getting stopped out because I had to go do something and I was trailing my stop. So the market ended up hitting it because I was trailing it based off of market structure. Let me go back to Monday, show you guys the trade on 6B. Yeah, this was essentially the trade, and this is where I got out of when the market pulled back on me. The next trade I took was a 5-minute demand setup on Tuesday. Same thing as Monday here, but just on the 5-minute. We had a break of structure. Price came back into the zone, got in. Price left, went all the way up for a 1 to 2, but I ended up getting out just a little bit over a 1 to 1 just because price reversed and my TPs are 1 to 5, and I like to trail based off of market structure. So essentially sort of like a break-even day, but it is what it is. I take what the market gives me. The next trade I took was on Thursday. It was a 1-hour supply on the Dow. Broke below here, came back into the zone, and then started rejecting. So then I got in, break a candlestick, but with this trade, ended up reversing back, but I was able to get out with a very small loss. I really should have moved my stop loss a little bit above break even, but I moved it above market structure. The trade ended up taking me out, and I didn't really lose much. If you can notice a lot from my losing trades this week, I didn't really lose much just because I like to move my stop loss to break even, especially when I see the trade going against me, especially once it hits a 1 to 1. I am quick to get out of a trade when there's no momentum on my side. And then the last day was a full loss that we took, which was on GU. This loss was more about timing, but followed my rules, got in, same thing as the other day. Tried at a break of structure, came back into the zone, rejected a little bit, but ended up stopping me out. And this news candle, which was PCE, ended up taking us back up and taking London highs, but can't really do anything about that. Follow my rules. Gonna come back next week and take another trade, honestly. So this week we had 2 break evens, 1 full loss, and then 1 win. And that 1 win helped us eat for the whole entire week. Another important thing that I do is my risk management. How much I risk on higher quality setups versus lower quality setups really helps inside of the long run. So yeah, that was this week. Next week I plan to incorporate more of NQ trades inside of my setups for the week, just because I like the way that it's moving. So we'll see how that all plays out. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.